Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another episode of Spotting Vlog, and today I'm planning to go to the one of the most difficult yet most beautiful plane spotting area in Hong Kong in Sha Lo Wan. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to get there. So here am I at the Tung Chung Development Pier, because basically in order to reach Sha Lo Wan we need to take a ferry for like 12 minutes from Tung Chung, and the schedule of the ferry is put at the description box just in case if you want to check. Here I am at Sha Lo Wan, and basically after you arrive you just walk through all this way. There's only one way, so just follow the track until you will see this soccer field is a reference point. If you want to go to spot A, you go there following this. However, I think there are some closure, so I think we have to go to spot B following this trail over here. After a steep climb, then you can find this building, but it's closed, and this way up. Look at this. This is how you get here. So it's quite extreme. Once you go up, you'll be really satisfied. And it's really hard to go down actually compared when you're going up. After a few hours, then I'm done with the spotting session and time to go back and catch the 4:22 ferry to Tung Chung. So photos coming up. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye.